So today we're comparing Joplin and Notion, which is the two popular note-taking tools. Joplin focuses on privacy and open source principles, which is its pros are markdown support, encryption, and cross-platform compatibility, while its cons are limited collaboration features. While on Notion, it is an all-in-one productivity platform which is rich media embedding, collaboration, and advanced organizational features. Its cons are subscription cost and lack of offline functionality. And in comparison, choose Joplin for privacy and markdown-based notes, and choose Notion for versatile project management and collaboration. For privacy-focused notes, go to Joplin, and for collaboration and advanced organizing, Notion wins hands down.